Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will make social media ads using Canva. These ads can be used in various social media platforms, like Instagram, Facebook, X, YouTube, etc. So let's get started. Open a blank page on Canva. Select background color. Then select product image. You can use any, but for this example, I'm using headphones image. So, we will be making headphone ads. We can adjust its size as per our need. Then select the title of your ads, and also adjust the size of the text likewise. Adding dot to make it look more appealing. In Elements tab, we have all the pre-built elements, and we can use them for free. Adding more elements to make it visually appealing. Now adding bit more graphics to make it more realistic. You can also add more elements to make it visually more appealing to attract more buyers. Now, as we have learned how to design a social media ads design, now we can sell our services on Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelancing platform. That's all from today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share, and subscribe.